How to fix YouTube comments not showing. Well, hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me go through the steps on how you can fix comments not showing up on YouTube. Well, first things first, you want to refresh or restart. If you're using a browser, you want to refresh your browser, the tab, or if you're using the app, you want to close the application and reopen it and head over to the video and check if the comment has appeared. Now make sure that your restricted mode is turned off in your settings. So head over to YouTube, head over to your profile and head here, turn off. So if it's incognito mode, you want to turn off incognito mode. Now clearing your browser cache and cookies or your app's cache and data to remove outdated information can also help fix any glitches. So in that case, if you're using Android device, you can head into apps, on settings, head into apps and then head into YouTube. Under it, head into storage and there you'll find the option to clear data and cache. Now if you're using iOS, however, you won't get that option, so you'll have to delete your application and reinstall it. Now on Android as well, you can reinstall as well. Make sure that you update everything, so ensure your browser, the YouTube app and all your devices are updated to the latest version, and turn off any browser extensions or VPNs. If you're looking for your own comment, try sorting the comments by newest first instead of top comments and such, and make sure you have a strong and stable internet connections. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe as well.